A very warm welcome to Tech Mining. In the previous video, you learned how to make a long video short in Shotcut by trimming unwanted parts. In this video, you will learn how to join two videos and add music using an audio file. So let's get started. Drag a video to the timeline. Add one more at the end of the first one. This way the two videos are joined together. When the first video finishes, the second one starts. To give it a professional look, you can add a smooth transition between the two videos. Drag the second video, and put it on the first one. Let's undo this transition and make it more appealing. Let's add some music to this video. From the timeline menu, select the Add Audio Track option. Or press Ctrl U. The audio track will be appended just under the video track. Drag the MP3 audio file from the playlist, and drop it onto the audio track. Click the zoom out icon a number of times and observe that the length of the audio file is larger than the two video files. Move the playhead to the end of the video file. Click the audio track. Click the split at playhead icon. Click the extra part of the audio, and press the delete key on the keyboard to remove it from the timeline. Click the zoom in icon a number of times. Now you will learn how to apply fade in and fade out effects to video and audio files. Select the first video. Move the cursor to its top left. You will see a blinking circle. Drag this circle to the right side to add the fade in effect. Repeat this step on the second video to apply the fade out effect when the video ends. Use the same technique to add zoom in and zoom out effects to the audio file as well. One more thing that you must need to know in video editing is detaching an audio from a video. Here is an MP4 file. Let's detach its audio from the video. Right-click the video in the timeline, and select Detach Audio. The detached audio will be placed in the audio track just under the video track in the timeline. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.